Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Scrnli and granting permissions so recording works immediately. This avoids later failures. Next, pick whether you want the whole screen, a single window, or a browser tab. Choose the capture that matches your goal. Then switch to screenshot or video mode, set resolution and frame rate, and point Scrnli at your preferred save folder. Once done, confirm microphone and system audio inputs so your captures include voice and sound. Now you refine settings to control output size and clarity. Higher frame rate and quality increase file size, so balance accordingly. Enable system audio if you need app sound, and set microphone gain so your voice remains clear. Add a webcam overlay if you want picture-in-picture. Use the timer or countdown for hands-free starts and memorize hotkeys for quick control. Before hitting record, preview the capture area and run a short test clip to confirm levels and framing. This saves rework. When you stop, Scrnli saves the file to your chosen folder. Use built-in trim or export to remove dead space and choose final format. Play the file to verify audio sync and visual fidelity, and rename or move it for sharing. If something fails, restart Scrnli and reauthorize screen or microphone permissions. Make sure no other app is blocking audio. If performance lags, lower resolution or frame rate, and try again. This reduces CPU load and usually fixes dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.